What is a force carrier particle? Imagine a universe where nothing can interact. No gravity pulling objects together, no light reaching your eyes, no atoms holding themselves intact. Such a universe would be completely silent and lifeless. So what allows particles to interact in the first place? The answer lies in something called force carrier particles. A force carrier particle, also known as a gauge boson, is a fundamental particle responsible for transmitting the basic forces of nature. In simple terms, these particles act as messengers. They carry information between matter particles and allow forces to exist. Let's break this down. In modern physics, especially in the Standard Model, there are four fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. Each of these forces has its own carrier particle. For electromagnetism, the carrier particle is the photon. Every time light travels, or two charged particles repel or attract each other, photons are at work. They move at the speed of light and have no mass, which is why electromagnetic interactions can occur over vast distances. The strong nuclear force, which holds quarks together inside protons and neutrons, is carried by particles called gluons. As their name suggests, gluons act like glue, binding quarks so tightly that they can never exist alone. The weak nuclear force, responsible for radioactive decay and processes inside stars, uses W and Z bosons as its carriers. These particles are extremely heavy and short-lived, which explains why the weak force only works at very small distances. Gravity is a special case. The hypothetical force carrier for gravity is called the graviton. While it has not yet been experimentally detected, many theories suggest that if gravity is quantized like other forces, gravitons would be the particles responsible. What makes force carrier particles truly fascinating is that forces are not continuous pushes or pulls. Instead, interactions happen through the exchange of these particles at the quantum level. Every force you experience is the result of countless invisible particle exchanges happening every second. So, force carrier particles are the unseen architects of reality. Without them, matter would not interact, atoms would fall apart, and the universe as we know it simply could not exist.